way. Reel like crazy. No, I think it came off. You're right.
Nothing on it though. Yeah, I think
He's right, it came off.
Yeah, telling me to relax. I think he's still on. Keep reeling. Yeah, it is nice taking.
He definitely was going though. What was that on the live bait? Unless he's running to the left.
You know what? Put it down and maybe he'll drag it out. He yanks the rod out of your hand. Well, that was fun. Wow, thanks for nothing.